There are times when events in the news cause children to have lots of questions about what's going on in the outside world, beyond their front door. As parents, we instinctively want to protect our children from harm or upset, which can make having conversations about these events really tricky to handle. But it's important that we do talk about them if our children ask us, so that we can support them to process what are often big feelings for them, however old they are, and for us too. A few things to remember in navigating hard conversations. Listening to your child is really important. Giving your child the time to express themselves and help them name those feelings and unpacking them with them can really help. For example, saying something like, "I wonder if you might be feeling, it's totally understandable that you're feeling worried, scared, confused. Where do you feel that in your body? Does your tummy hurt? Does your heart beat faster?" Remember, you actually don't need to fix it for them or even think of something to say to make it better. Listening and showing that you understand is in itself so powerful. You can even feed back to them their own thoughts and share any guesses you have about their feelings, because doing this in chunks can make the thoughts and emotions feel more manageable. Once they feel heard and understood, then they may be receptive to taking on your thoughts and views about the situation. You'll be able to choose what to say and how to say it once you've taken the time to be curious about and understand what's going on in their mind. This is the moment now to share your pearls of wisdom if you feel it's necessary. Look for the helpers. There are always people willing to help, and drawing attention to these can offer some balance to the idea that terrible things happen. The world is full of kindness too, even if it doesn't seem that way, if you can look out for it. Remember that you can play an instrumental role in helping your child understand the difference and distinguish between facts and rumours or unverified information. So model being curious, observant, and even unsure, taking the time to think things through from different points of view. Finally, look after your own emotional health too. Try not to use these conversations with your child to unburden yourself. As a parent, you may also need containing when things scare or upset you in the news. So it's important to have close friends or family members that you feel comfortable turning to explore your own thoughts and worries. Addressing what your child may be feeling instead of avoiding these conversations can help them develop into emotionally healthy adults and builds their resilience throughout life. For more information and ideas on how to support your family's emotional health, our online learning pathways are available at togetherness.co.uk/learn, and they're available online 24/7.